Hi everybody, today I'm making Mutter Paneer. I'm going to start with some tomatoes, a little bit of onion, ginger garlic paste. Normally I like to use fresh ginger and fresh garlic, but I don't happen to have any. A little bit of oil to start things off. I'm going to turn this on to medium and pour some oil in there. While that's heating up, I'm going to slice the onions and tomatoes and get them in there. I've got the onions and the ginger garlic paste sauteing right now, and to that I'm going to add some cashews and also a little bit of dried methi leaves. Just a little. I've chopped up 2 small, sort of medium tomatoes, and I'm going to add that now. Stir. And let that cook for a few minutes. After this cooks up, the tomatoes get soft, I'm going to let it cool, and then I'm going to blend. I've blended the tomato and onion mixture. It's ready to go. And now I'm heating up the same pan that I used before and adding a little oil. And to this, I'm going to add some cumin, maybe about a teaspoon. And let that heat up a little. The oil and the cumin seeds have heated up, and now I'm ready to add the tomato and onion mixture. To this, I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric, about half a teaspoon. Teaspoon of cayenne. It's going to be spicy. And half a teaspoon of garam masala. I didn't make this myself, I just bought it. And stir that all up. Oh, let's not forget salt. I do love salt. That was probably about a tablespoon. Definitely add salt to your taste. And let this simmer for about, 5 minutes. The sauce has been cooking for a few minutes now, and I'm going to add 1 cup of frozen peas. Stir that up and let it cook some more. After adding the peas, I let this cook for another 10 minutes, and now I'm ready to add the paneer. I made this paneer on a different day, and I made a video on making paneer, so watch that. Just adding this. I need to add a little water to this because I let it cook down. And let this cook for a few more minutes. Maybe about 10. The Mutter Paneer is all done and ready to eat. I'm going to turn this off. You can serve this with naan and rice. Some people, not me, like to chop up some cilantro and garnish. But those are the crazy people. Bon appetit!